problem with the reverse lights, which means my backing camera is out of test one on the GoPro Fusion 360 camera. Just the water on the outside. Anyway, heading to the bank to cash in my coins. And after that, gonna pick up some medicines from the pharmacy. See. So we're gonna slowly try to pass this car. Oh, Audi is going for it. Such an Audi move. Not to like look down on anybody, but yeah, you guys do have the engine for it. So I totally get it. Now he started to speed up a little bit as he realized the Audi wanted to go past it. What are I doing here? Interesting. Now it's my turn. Why the fuck did you speed up when I was trying to pass you, you bitch? That is not a nice move. I could have crashed. Oh, this guy. Well, at least we got some action on camera. Could have been, I don't know. I could have been wrong on my part. But he was going slow in the 80, and when I was trying to get past him, he speed up. Doesn't really matter. Life is good. No, life is not worth endangering yourself too much. A little is okay, but not too much to be angry about stuff in the street. If you're the kind of person that gets super upset, super upset, and go thinking about it for weeks because of what happens in traffic, seek help, I guess. This is really not worth it. I think getting passed by the Audi really snapped something into place in ahead of the driver. Because now he's going too fast. And he's like, no, I'm not gonna get passed by the fucking Volvo. Dude, you not have any turn lights or... Okay, only on a car. Yep, that's okay. Now, if I was a fucked up idiot, I would have followed him. But why would I do that? Oh, old people, hello. And you with the... Oh my god, don't take the entire road. Some people that drive with like horse wagons on the back, they really don't know how wide those trailers are. As it seems.